With the advent of the digital age and the widespread usage of smartphones, the days of printing photos and keeping them in albums as a tangible record of our lives are long gone. The risk of losing a photo or forgetting that you even took it is real. Before digital photography, people regularly printed their photos so they would always have a physical record of the precious moments they had captured with loved ones or during significant life events. Sharing photos with others seems to have lost its enchantment. The need to discover a modern means of printing my phone's photos drove me to seek for a workaround I could live with. I still have the option of going to Walmart or any other business with kiosks that can print images from a Bluetooth connection or from a digital media card, but that didn't feel like the answer I was seeking. I'd much rather go it alone and have the freedom to print a photo whenever I like. I was searching for a mobile app that would allow me to print my smartphone images. So I searched for printers that could connect to my Apple iPhone with an app, a wireless printer that is simple to set up. Plus, I'd like to be able to select the photos I want to print from my phone and send them directly to the printer. I decided that the Canon Selphy CP1500 printer was the most suitable option after doing some research. Fortunately, I was able to find this printer on sale, and the discount made it well worth the investment. The fact that Canon picture paper and cartridges are required to use this printer was the only drawback I could find. Any old photo paper wouldn't do, that's for sure. Each photo paper has an edge on each side, so it makes the paper a little larger than regular photo-size paper. After printing your photo, you can tear the perforated paper on each side and get a 4x7 print as you would at any photo processor. That means I have to keep buying Canon picture paper whenever I run out. Moreover, I can't use ordinary photo paper with this printer. Also, you can't just refill the ink cartridges or buy it from a third party without a little loss of quality, as the cartridges are designed specifically for printing photographs onto this paper. The total cost per photo comes to roughly 55 cents, which is not a very good deal when compared to having your pictures printed at Walmart or another photo kiosk. However, being able to print my images at home whenever I choose makes the service much more worthwhile to me. Picture this, I'm in the middle of nowhere, surrounded by breathtaking scenery, and I've just captured the perfect sunset shot on my camera. It's a moment worth immortalizing. But the nearest photo lab is miles away. This is where the Canon Selphy swoops in like a photography superhero. It's compact enough to fit in my camera bag, and with its built-in Wi-Fi connectivity, I can print my masterpiece when I get back to my hotel room. But here's the kicker, it doesn't just print ordinary photos, it turns them into vibrant, high-quality 4x6 inches prints that rival those from a professional lab. The colors are rich and true to life, and the detail is so sharp that I can practically count the grains of sand in my beach shots. And it does all this in less than a minute. It's like having a personal photo lab in my backpack. Now, you might be wondering how a portable printer can deliver such exceptional results. Well, that's where the Canon Selphy's secret weapon comes into play, dye-sublimation technology. This fancy term essentially means that it transfers solid dye from a ribbon onto the paper, creating a continuous tone and ensuring that each print is a true work of art. The results speak for themselves. No more washed out colors or pixelated prints. There is a link in the description box if you would like to learn more about the Canon Selphy CP1500 and current prices. Now, let's talk about the user experience. Setting up the Canon Selphy is a breeze. It's like connecting your phone to a Bluetooth speaker, straightforward and painless. The 3.2 inches LCD screen is a handy touch, allowing me to preview and edit my photos before hitting the print button. And speaking of buttons, they are large and intuitive, ensuring that even the least tech-savvy among us can operate it with ease. One of my favorite features is the option to add fun effects to my photos right on the printer. I can apply filters, frames, and even create photo collages on the fly. It turns any mundane photo into a work of art, and it's perfect for adding a dash of humor to my shots. But what about the ink and paper? Fear not, for Canon has made sure to keep things simple and cost-effective. The Selphy uses a kit consisting of the single ink cassette and paper, eliminating the need for messy ink cartridges and reducing waste. Another feature that I find useful is the ability to print photos straight from a camera's memory card or from a USB Type-C stick without using a computer or smartphone app. You may view the images on the screen and select which ones to print directly from the printer. The Canon Selphy photo printer is a game changer for photography enthusiasts like me. It's compact, easy to use, and delivers exceptional print quality that's hard to match. With its versatility in print sizes and creative options, it's like having a mini photo studio in your pocket. So if you're looking to add a touch of humor and whimsy to your photography adventures while creating stunning prints, look no further than the Canon Selphy, your portable photo printing companion. If you enjoyed today's video and have not already subscribed, subscribing will ensure you know when the next video is uploaded. Thanks for watching.